Welcome to JRMSweeps. I have a 2020 Polaris RZR 1000 high lifter here that we're going to change the oil on. This particular model is going to take 2.5 quarts of oil. This is a kit I bought online. This is my manual, and you can see here that it has two different oil recommendations. The PS4 5W50, that's what we're going to use today. All right, underneath the side-by-side, you're going to have a hole back here. You have one right here. You'll go one more. So if you're right here in this location, if you jump over one hole here towards the passenger side, you will need an Allen wrench to remove this bolt. You'll need a 6mm Allen wrench. I'm going to go ahead and remove this access panel here. And then we are going to loosen the oil fill cap. Just going to set that right there like that so nothing gets inside. That'll allow the oil to drain a little bit quicker. I removed both seats in the side-by-side. We're going to access this panel here. The oil filter is located right here. I have a set of these oil filter wrenches. It's going to take the 65-67-14 oil filter wrench. Okay, I have the oil wrench on the filter here. We're going to go ahead and remove this. I have a rag down at the bottom as well to catch any oil. This is the new oil filter here. I took the rubber ring off here, applied oil to it, inserted it back on. Insert the new oil filter. Ready to tighten down the oil filter. Go ahead and wipe anything down, remove the rag, insert the panel. This is the original part number for the oil filter, 2540086. Okay, I'm going to take and replace the old crush washer with the new one that came with the kit. Clean up the drain plug. Now we're ready to insert this back into the side-by-side. I'm ready to add the oil. Again, this is going to take 2.5 quarts. Install the access panel. Let's fire it up. Just double check, make sure you don't have any leaks, which we don't. Verify here that we don't have any engine codes, which we don't. Thanks for watching.